Hey, Blessed Depressed fam. This is Kim with Blessed Depressed Creations. How are you guys doing? Leave it down in the comments below. I'm just coming here on behalf of my mom and I, Janita, to say thank you so much for everybody who's been subscribing, all of our OG subscribers for sticking around with us, and all of our new subscribers. Hi, welcome to the Blessed Depressed family. I hope you're enjoying all of the content that we have so far. And even though I haven't been as consistent with putting up newer videos, I really hope that you are taking some value from the information that we are putting out and that we already have out. And I hope you're excited for all the stuff that we have in store for the future. I just wanted to come on here, like I said, on behalf of my mom and I, to say thank you and to announce that we're going to be doing a 500 subscriber giveaway. And this is going to be really fun. So starting Valentine's Day, we are going to be announcing one thing from the giveaway until we reach 500 subscribers. And then, once we reach the 500, we will draw a name. We're going to have 2 contestant winners, and then we'll be announcing what all of that will be until we reach 500, so that you guys can get excited and get motivated. Share this video with your friends and family, whoever is interested in starting a small business, whoever is interested in sublimating. Even if you're not starting a business, you just want to know how to sublimate, I think this channel is a very great channel to get starter, first time information on how to just start from scratch, and tools that you can use. We always have tools linked down in the description. So I think this is a very helpful channel to anybody who is starting a business, like I said, or just wants to have some sublimation information under their belt, So definitely share this with your friends and family and get involved in the giveaway. The next video we put up will be instructions on how you can enter into the giveaway. But for now, this is just a thank you, and leave in the comments some purple hearts if you got this far. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video where we will be giving the instructions on how to be entered into the giveaway. All right. Thank you guys so much again for following and staying tuned and just coming along with us on this ride. And we will see you in the next one. All right. Bye, guys.